It's that time of year again, and I'm not talking about spring or warmer weather or April Fool's Day. But there's another day in April that we all dread, and that's when our tax returns are due. It's on that day that we're going to find out whether we owe or whether we're going to get a refund. Now, I know I prefer to get a refund, but inevitably you're going to owe taxes, and there's been times where I have before as well. So the question comes up is there any way to get rid of back taxes? In a bankruptcy case, the answer is yes, but certain conditions must be met. So the first thing I have to look at is, are the taxes at least 3 years old from the date when the returns were last due? Your returns are typically due on April 15th of each year, or right around there. So for instance, if you've had 2007 back taxes, that tax return would be due April 15th of 2008. So for those to be dischargeable in a bankruptcy case, you would have to file your case after April 15th of 2011. But that's just the first rule. The second rule is, did you file your returns on time? Even if you didn't, it's okay, but they have to have been filed at least 2 years prior to your bankruptcy case. If those two rules have been met, then we have to look to see when it was assessed. And the assessment date is about 8 months prior to filing your bankruptcy case. Now, your taxes are normally assessed when you file the returns, but they can also be reassessed at a later time, such as when you do an amendment based on income change, when you get another W-2 or something like that, or if the IRS amends your return for you, or if you're lucky enough to be audited. That changes your assessment date. If any of those three conditions aren't met, then those taxes would not be dischargeable in a bankruptcy case. Now, there's some other minor exceptions even if those are met, but that's when it's necessary to have an experienced bankruptcy attorney on your side. So before you speak with any bankruptcy attorney, talk to the IRS or sign any forms about back taxes. You need to get a copy of my free book. You can get yours today by going to the site below or call us for free at 344-0800.